Hello folks, this is a video showing this helicopter workstation that I made. It's just a Lazy Susan ball bearing I got at Home Depot for about $5. A couple pieces of plywood and some little metal clips that I bolted on there to go over the skids. And it's nice for a couple of things. The first thing I'm going to show you is setting up your gyro. Trimming your gyro. So you can do this now without your trying to chase your helicopter around and look where your fingers are on your remote. So I'll just fire this up and I'll give you a little demo. Well, unfortunately, I got some bolts hanging out there that it's getting hung up on. I'm going to have to put it over here. And you can see that that's tracking pretty straight. Now I'll show you how I do my blade tracking, also using this stand. So what I did is I made up this stick, which is just a couple screws and a rubber bungee cord with a piece of tape on there. White tape would be better, but blue is all I had. And what I'll do is I'll fire this thing up, and I'll just easily lean this in here till the blade just ticks it. And I have crayon on the ends of the blades. I got yellow on this side and blue on this side. And if you had white tape, you'd go until you get the two to match up and make one green stripe, then you're perfectly tracked. Now this is pretty good because it's set up from the last time I did it. But I'll just show you how I do this. I'll fire it up. And I don't know if you can see those marks, but it's pretty much on the money. It's not off enough that I would mess with it. And another thing, when I was doing that, usually I would put a little C-clamp on here so that it can't spin around and have the tail rotor get you, which I forgot to do that time, but that's how I keep it from having this part come around on you and cut your hand. So let me know what you think. Thanks, bye.